Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1 sets. Let us see practice set 1.4, example number 2. In a hostel, there are 125 students, out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee, and 20 drink tea and coffee both. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. Now see, in this example, we have there are total 125 students in hostel. So consider, let X be the universal set. It means we can write total students. Therefore, total students is equal to n of x is equal to 125. Now, out of which 80 drink tea and 60 drink coffee. Therefore, here we have to consider set A is equal to students who drinks tea. Therefore, n of A is equal to 80. 80 students drinks tea. Now set B students who drinks coffee. And now see here, therefore n of B is equal to total students, that is 60 students drinks coffee. Now 20 drink tea and coffee both. Therefore, here A intersection B is equal to student drink tea and coffee both. Therefore, n of B is equal to n of A intersection B is equal to, we have 20 students. Now we have to find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. It means that we have to find A union B. Therefore, A union B is equal to students who do not drink tea or coffee. Therefore, n of A union B is equal to we have to find its complement. Students who do not means its complement, do not drink tea or coffee, and who drink tea or coffee, that is A union B. So here we have to find its complement. A union B means students drink tea or coffee, and its complement means who do not drink tea or coffee. Now for this, first we have to find A union B, n of A union B. Therefore we know that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Here we have to find n of A union B. So keep as it is. N of A, that is 80 students who drink tea. Now n of B who drink coffee, that is there are 60 students. And n of A intersection B, that is who drink tea and coffee both, that is 20 students are there. So 80 plus 60, 140 minus 20, that is 120. Here we got n of A union B. But A union B means students who drink tea or coffee, and we have to find students who do not drink tea or coffee, that is its complement. Therefore, students who do not drink tea or coffee, that is n of x minus n of A union B. So here n of x, that is total students are 125, and we just found n of A union B, that is 120. So n of x minus n of A union B, that is 125 minus 120, that is 5. So there are 5 students who do not drink tea or coffee, and therefore here we got n of A union B, its complement or complement of n of A union B, that is 5. So students who do not drink tea or coffee, that is equal to 5. It means that 5 students are there who do not drink tea or coffee. So don't forget to write this example in your notebook. Let us see another example from practice set 1.4 in next video. Bye. Take care.